Ai, ano mai kauka o no uli.
Kanile'a ukulele was created in 1998 by my parents Joe and Kristen Souza. My dad had been an apprentice under Peter Bermudez, or Uncle Pete, for ukulele making since 1993. He then realized that his passion and love for the art would be something he wanted to pursue as a lifetime career. So together with my mom, they set up Kanile'a Ukulele in their garage. The company has always been environmentally friendly with the koa and ohia lehua we use in crafting our ukuleles. We use as much of the wood as possible so as not to waste any part of the tree, and we only harvest dead or fallen trees. Although Kanile'a Ukulele did not intend to have a reforestation property, my mom felt an emotional connection to the land and wanted to see it flourish. So she established the company's reforestation project called Saving Hawaii's Forests, with the initiative of planting one native Hawaiian tree for every ukulele we build, ensuring we don't take without giving back. Kanile'a Ukulele was one of the first and few companies that participated in reforestation, especially in Hawaii. With our love of the artistry in ukulele making and a passion for sustainability, we believe in extending the life of a koa tree through our ukuleles, letting them share music throughout the world. This belief, along with our love for Hawaii, is what motivated us to create Reforest Hawaii. In 2014, we acquired land on Hawaii Island, which consisted of koa and ohia lehua trees. My parents named it Nani Ekolu, or the Beautiful Three, representing my two brothers and I, the three mountains, Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, and Hualalai, and the three greatest things, faith, hope, and love, or aloha. It wouldn't be until 2017 that we started planting trees after seeing the first-hand effects of deforestation. We then made a promise to plant one tree for every ukulele we made. At Kanile'a Ukulele, we are constantly striving to continue innovating our ukuleles and helping the environment in any way that we can. We have always strived to live up to our mission, to innovate a healthy and creative world through high quality and joyful sounding ukulele. Over the last 7 years, we have planted over 19,000 koa trees to contribute to reforestation efforts. As a result, endangered species, which have disappeared from local areas due to deforestation, began to reappear in the area, such as pueo, the Hawaiian owl, io, hawk, and the opeapea, or the Hawaiian hoary bat. As descendants of native Hawaiians, we wish to help restore the natural landscape and protect our cultural heritage. Community is very important to us, so we've always strived to not only give back to the land, but also to those around us. Over the years, we have gathered the attention of ukulele musicians across the globe to create a community of environmentally conscious musicians and music lovers. Each year, we invite the local community to aid in the reforestation and planting efforts. Volunteers would join us to plant new koa trees and learn to give back to the environment. We even hosted a music concert featuring local ukulele artists to tell the story of reforestation through music. I remember after the concert, an attendee went up and said that the music had brought him to tears and that it was going to change his life forever. What just started as building and selling ukuleles using dead trees has evolved over the years, branching out our operations to aid our environment and community here in Hawaii.